Hello friends, this is Umesh Mani. Welcome to my channel An Engineer's Guide. So guys, in this session we will learn what is the post-weld heat treatment and how to find the nominal thickness for PWHT calculations. So guys, before moving forward, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, which will be free for you but will give me a lot of motivation to create such useful videos for you. Also click on the bell icon to get the latest update from our channel. Thank you. So guys, before moving forward, first of all, I'd like to ask you one question. Do you know what is the post-weld heat treatment? So guys, if your answer is yes, you can skip further some part. But if your answer is no, then please stay with me. We'll understand what is the post-weld heat treatment. So first of all, let's see this image. Here you can see one welded vessel is being heated in some furnace. So what is actually the post-weld heat treatment? It is the process of heating a material below its lower critical temperature which has been welded. So what happens during the welding process or fabrication process? There are some stresses induced welds and weld affected zones. So to relieve those stresses, we have to use the post-weld heat treatment. So the purpose of PWHT is to reduce the stresses generated during the fabrication and welding process which result in the softening of the weld affected zone. So this is what the post-weld heat treatment is. Now the question in your mind is that what is that lower critical temperature below which we have to perform the PWHT. So let's understand in the next slide what is the lower critical temperature. So guys, you all know about the iron carbide diagram. So that diagram is a very large, so to avoid your confusion and I don't like to stress you much, so I have selected only some part by which I can explain you what is the lower critical temperature. So first, here you can see one line A1 at temperature 1333 degree Fahrenheit. So that line is nothing but the lower critical temperature. Then you can see there is another line is known as A3, which is called as upper critical temperature line. Now from figure you can see between the room temperature and 1333 degree Fahrenheit, the steel consists of ferrite and perlite. Now what is ferrite? The ferrite is a solid solution of small amount of carbon. Ferrite is nothing but the solid solution of small amount of carbon and which is dissolved in an iron. And what is perlite? Perlite is a mixture of ferrite and iron carbide. So I hope guys you are a bit clear about what is the lower critical temperature. So for this session this is enough. We will come very soon with our next part of PWHT. So guys, if you think you got some value from this video, so please subscribe to my channel and share our videos with your friends and colleagues so they will also get some help from our channel. Thank you.